The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
All is quiet for us right now. Skies are indeed fair as we show you our next weather maker. Have a little ways to go before we get there. It is across our nation's heartland. It is bringing some snow from Michigan over towards Indiana and points to the west, including for folks just north of Kansas City. Omaha has seen a little bit in the way of snow today. This is not an impressive storm system, and the amount of precipitation it brings us here Thursday night into Friday likely also not going to be impressive. Now, as far as future tracker is concerned, we're looking at skies again tonight, mainly clear. We're going to start out tomorrow with some sunshine. However, as we go into tomorrow afternoon, clouds build. We're going to turn mostly cloudy from about lunchtime on your Thursday. During the daylight hours tomorrow, we're dry. Okay, it's later in the evening after about 9, 10, 11 o'clock when we may start to see a few snow showers working their way in. This is a quick moving storm system. It's not going to have a ton of moisture with it. You'll notice also further north and west, you will see some snow showers. Further south and east, may see a wintry mix of some snow, sleet, freezing rain, and plain old rain. It does not look as though we're going to see much accumulation at all in south side. Then we're looking at this thing likely ending for us at some point in time Friday morning, with the exception being west slope snow showers, which may continue for us as we head Friday afternoon into Friday night. Most of the snow showers with this upslope snow machine stays in West Virginia, but every now and again you'll notice little ribbons of moisture making their way into the highlands and also into the New River Valley. Now, as far as how much snow we see here Thursday night into Friday, for Roanoke, Lynchburg, and South Side, 0 to 1 inch. In the highlands and the New River Valley, a coating to as much as 3 inches. Right now, I'm thinking that these numbers, these totals that we see, are going to be on the lower end of these ranges that I'm showing you. South Side, probably 0. Maybe a coating in Roanoke and Lynchburg, and not much more than probably an inch or two across the NRV and highlands. But again, our official totals right now stand at 0 to 1, Roanoke, Lynchburg, and South Side, and a coating to 3 in the NRV and highlands. Now, this spells good news for folks hitting the slopes this weekend, as we're going to see some fresh snowpack out across Snowshoe and also out across Winter Place. It looks like you're going to have a frigid wind chill this weekend, no doubt, along the slopes, but at least it's going to be cold enough where they're going to also be able to make their own snow at all these ski resorts. So skiing this weekend looks pretty good. Just make sure to bundle up. Bundle up here, bundle up if you're going to West Virginia, bundle up if you're going anywhere along the mid-Atlantic states. Right now it's 15 in Hot Springs, 12 in Wytheville. You're in the low to mid 20s in Roanoke, Lynchburg, and in South Side. We're going to have a double dip from the Arctic. Round 1 of Arctic air arrived for us last night into today. Little reprieve tomorrow, but another cold Arctic piece of air is going to be moving in for us here as we head behind this front Thursday night into Friday, such that by Saturday and Sunday we're going to be really, really cold. Saturday afternoon, looking at highs about 18 to 26, and Sunday morning we're awakening to temperatures between 7 and 14. This air parcel not coming from the North Pole like the last piece. Rather, this piece is coming from the Hudson Bay, which isn't too far from the North Pole at all. Other thing, we're going to be watching the winds. Winds are going to increase for us here just as soon as the precipitation ends on Friday, such that by Friday afternoon, going to have gusts 25 to 40 miles per hour. Ditto for Saturday. Sunday, those winds will weaken. We're looking at wind chills likely Friday morning, and then as we head into Saturday morning, once again, looking at wind chills very, very cold for this time of year, maybe in the single digits, if not below 0. Overnight tonight, 11 to 19. Bundle up for the day tomorrow. Clouds move in, not as cold. Highs tomorrow, 30s and 40s. South side, you're going to be the warmest zone, as you could hit the mid to upper 40s for a brief period of time. 37 Friday, 25 Saturday, 36 Sunday. But look at Tuesday, Wednesday, 55 to 60, both of those days. Going to have that chance for a light wintry mix Thursday night into midday Friday. Dry Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Rain chances, and only rain chances, 1 week from today, next Wednesday.